In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lucidchart for creating a floor plan, all within 5 minutes. Let's get started by navigating over to the Lucidchart website. Once you arrive, you'll want to go ahead and click on the Login button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. If you don't already have a Lucidchart account, you might need to set one up. However, assuming you do, simply enter your email address in the provided field. After typing in your email, click on the Next button. This will prompt you to complete the login process by entering your password. Take a moment to type in your password, and once you're set, hit the login button to access your workspace. Great, you've made it into the Lucidchart dashboard. The next step is to go to your Documents area, which acts like a digital library, holding all your existing projects. To start fresh, click on New. This brings up various options, and from here select Create from Template. With your template window open, we want to narrow down our choices to floor plans. So type in floor plan in the search bar. You'll see a range of templates designed to get your creative juices flowing. Once you've found a template that suits your needs, click on Use Template. Now you're ready to customize your space. It's really simple. Click and drag different shapes onto your canvas. Lucidchart gives you the flexibility to arrange and adjust everything to fit your vision. Spend a little time exploring the shapes available and see how they can represent different elements of your plan. If you're not finding exactly what you need within the templates, you might opt to create something entirely new. Go back to your documents and start with a blank document. This option provides a completely fresh slate for those who want to bring a unique concept to life. Once you have your blank canvas or template, make sure to use the search function on the left side to pull in additional resources. Here you can type in floor plan once more to bring up an even wider variety of shapes and elements that might be useful in your project. With the new shapes loaded, once again click and drag them into position to start building your layout. Finally, to ensure you have all potential tools at your disposal, click on See All Shapes to view a complete library of options. This will reveal items you might not have initially considered but could dramatically enhance the detail and usability of your floor plan. And there you have it, a quick and efficient guide to using Lucidchart for floor planning. Whether you're working off a template or starting from scratch, Lucidchart provides a set of versatile tools that can help you visualize and design your spaces with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy